Hello, this is Muhammad Yasir Arafat, and today we are going to discuss our new chapter, that is chapter number 4. And this chapter is named as Mass, Weight, and Density. And in this chapter, we will be discussing our first topic that is related to the mass and weight. First, we must know what are the masses. Remember, the weighing machine that is we commonly use in our daily life, that is physical balance, which usually used to determine unknown mass of an object. So here, mass can be defined as the quantity of matter present in a body, and this mass can be measured in kilograms. So remember that if the mass is the quantity of a body, that means the mass will not be changing at any cost if you change the position of that object. For example, if you measure the mass of an object on the surface of Earth, that value will be equal to the mass of the same object on the surface of Moon. That means the change of position will not affect the magnitude of mass, but the magnitude of mass can affect it by reducing or burning calories that is present in a body, and that burning calories may reduce the quantity of matter. So that is why we can say that mass can be converted into energy in some proportions, in some time. Mass is also associated with inertia, and the inertia is the opposition provided by a body when it collides or it experiences certain amount of change in speed, change in state. For example, you can see in this animation that the moving cart is gaining some amount of mass that is made up of glass, and suddenly it was strike with a block, and the object placed on that cart fall in forward. What happens here? यहाँ पर हुआ क्या? अब यहाँ पर हमने देखा ये है कि जो कार्ट है वो ब्लॉक से स्ट्राइक करने के बाद या अपोजिट डायरेक्शन में इसने फोर्स एक्सपीरियंस किया, फिर मोशन एक्सपीरियंस किया, एंड जो इनर्शिया ऑफ दैट ग्लास ऑब्जेक्ट जो है वो उसके इनर्शिया प्रेजेंस के वजह से इट हैज़ फॉलन फॉरवर्ड. व्हेन इट हैज़ फॉलन फॉरवर्ड, तो इट एक्सपीरियंसेस सम अमाउंट ऑफ जर्क, और इस इफेक्ट को, इस प्रॉपर्टी को we named as inertia, where we can say that inertia is the property of a body that opposes change in the state of a body. That means कि अगर हम एक्सपीरियंस करते हैं सडनली या किसी व्हीकल में अगर ट्रैवल कर रहे हैं एंड सडनली दैट व्हीकल अप्लाइज ब्रेक, एंड due to that applied brake, we will experience a forward jerk. Why we will be experiencing a forward jerk? When we apply the brake, the lower compartment will experience a change in the state of a body where it will come from at the state of rest from the motion. Due to that, the motion of an object will be changing by that case. जब वो सडनली स्मॉल अमाउंट में जब मोशन जो स्टेट ऑफ बॉडी चेंज होगा स्मॉल अमाउंट में ही सही, दैट विल बी एक्सपीरियंस बाय द बॉडी प्रेजेंटिंग ऑन द दैट व्हीकल. सो सडनली हमने ये भी एक्सपीरियंस किया है कि व्हेन सडनली a car or a vehicle moves forward, by that case we will be experiencing a jerk backward. That is happening because due to the inertia of our body. इसी तरीके से एक और एग्जाम्पल अगर हम देखें जिसमें कि गाड़ी जो है वो राइट वर्ड टर्न हो रही है इन अ यू टर्न, और यू कैन से दैट इन एनी काइंड ऑफ राउंड अबाउट, जिसमें कार जो है वो टर्न हो रहा है टुवर्ड्स राइट, एंड ड्यूरिंग दैट टर्निंग वी विल बी एक्सपीरियंसिंग अ जर्क टुवर्ड्स द लेफ्टवर्ड. So this will experiencing that when the change in state of body occurs, the inertia will be experienced by a body in the form of jerk, and that jerk will be produced in the opposite direction of change in the state of a body. Next is weight of an object. See, weight of an object is the gravitational pull experienced by an object, and that weight of an object can be calculated by using W is equal to m into g, where the m is mass of an object and g is the gravitational strength of an object that is applied by a surface of earth. And here the gravitational strength applied by surface of earth is 10 Newton per kg. सो यहाँ पे हम एग्जाम्पल देख सकते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल एक पॉइंट मास हमने प्लेस किया और इस ब्लैक मास को नेम किया एज द सरफेस ऑफ अर्थ. यहाँ पर क्या हो रहा है कि दिस सब ऑब्जेक्ट इज एक्सपीरियंसिंग अ डाउनवर्ड फोर्स, क्योंकि यहाँ पर जो है अपवर्ड फोर्स अप्लाई हो रहा है फ्रॉम द सरफेस ऑफ अर्थ. अब सरफेस ऑफ अर्थ जब फोर्स अप्लाई कर रहा है तो इट विल अट्रैक्ट द बॉडी, द पॉइंट मास, and that attraction would be equal to the 10 Newton per kg. That means here Earth usually applies 10 Newton of force for 1 kg object. Okay, and when you get multiplied the gravitational field strength by the mass of an object, so you would see that the total weight of an object got changed. Remember one more thing, that the weight of an object will be found different when you changes the position of that object. For example, you are measuring weight of an object on the surface of earth, you will see a different value than the weight of an object measured on the surface of moon. Why it happens? It happens due to gravitational field strength, and the gravitational field strength on the surface of moon is 1.66 Newton per kg. दैट मीन्स के ऑन द सरफेस ऑफ मून जो है 1.66 न्यूटन का फोर्स अप्लाई होता है पर केजी पर. ठीक है. थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग मी. अल्लाह हाफिज.